Dear all participants, I, on behalf of IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorials and the entire organizing team of Faculty Development Program, let me call it a Fraternity of Educators here together. And on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all participants for the remote learning during COVID-19 lockdown and showing the amazing responses through the involvement. The wheels start rolling a weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for the perfect implementation. All organizers as well as participants have completed the task by going beyond their comfort zones in order to make the constructive use of technology and the lockdown. With the same spirit, let us keep ourselves engaged through such remote learning, faculty development programs and other programs so that we will make ourselves ready for the students when they will rejoin the campus, colleges, universities, and we will be able to cater their needs through the campus teaching learning practices and the ongoing online teaching learning practices as well. Thank you.